State of the Vatican City is 0.17 square miles. Located in Rome, Italy, the Vatican City is the home of the Pope and many other religious figures. With a population of just 800 and of those only 450 hold actual citizenship, many citizens actually live elsewhere. Its sovereignty was recognized by Italian government under Lateran Treaty on the 11th of February 1929. The Vatican prints its own stamps, issues passports and number plates, mints its own euros and has its own flag and anthem. The one ability it does lack is that of taxation. Monaco is 0.75 square mile. Monaco is a very wealthy country, as we are all aware, hosting Grand Prixes and numerous other events. The country is bordered by France and its flag is very similar to that of Indonesia, the difference being that the Indonesian flag is wider. As Monaco, the country's major football club, play in the flag's red and white and are called Les Rouges et Blancs, called the Red and Whites. As Monaco's Stadium Stade Louis II is able to fit over half of the country's population, which as of January 2016, was over 37,500. Nauru is 8 square mile. Nauru is an island east of Australia. It's the smallest island country and with a population of around 10,200 people as of January 2016, it's obviously not that lowly populated compared to earlier examples. The country, even though stunningly beautiful, has a real issue with unemployment. Only 10% of the residents are employed, all of them are by the government. Tuvalu is 10 square mile. Tuvalu was previously known as the Ellis Islands, no, not that Ellis Island, just off the northeast of Australia. There is just one hospitals on the island for its population of just under 10,000 as of January 1, 2016, that's 384 people per square kilometre. The island is quite a low-lying one, with the highest point being just 16 feet above sea level. Tuvalu is a reasonably secluded location with only 2,000 visitors in 2010 and 65% of those were for business. However, it does hold a rather strange caving system. In 1986, 2 scuba divers discovered underwater caves. This is of course not that strange, but when they noticed dark patches similar to that of fire scorching, eyebrows were raised. San Marino is 23.5 square mile. San Marino claimed to be the oldest surviving sovereign state. As of January 2016, San Marino has a population of around 32,000 people. As you can see, this is a fairly small country that's actually quite densely populated. Especially when compared to St. Kitts and Nevis, which has an extra 77.5 square miles and only 13,000 more people. San Marino has a rather strange relationship with the US. In 1861, the San Marino government wrote to then-President Abraham Lincoln asking if he would like to form an alliance. In turn, they would give him honorary San Marino citizenship. Lincoln accepted this offer. When it comes to sports though, and particularly that of soccer, San Marino aren't that successful. After forming in 1990, the first international win didn't come until 2004 when they beat Liechtenstein 1-0.